guys, we're doing another video. I'm sorry we didn't do the Champions Path Elite Trainer box, but I did get a VMAX, a full art V, and a V just to remind you guys. And I got a Lost Thunder booster box. I opened 4 packs, but I'll show you the good pulls. I got a Bungarina. I got a Ralts. I got a Lantern Reverse Hollow. I got an Umbreon. I got an Eevee. I got a Xatu Reverse Hollow. Entei. Poiple. Moraine Reverse Hollow. And the best pull, Lucamane Ultra Prism. And a Prism. So today, we're going to do 2 packs of Lost Thunder, a Lugia and a Zeraora. So, this is the first time I've ever opened Lost Thunder. So, and it's a booster box, so this will be good for collecting cards of the set. So let's start. We got a Fairy Energy. We got a Pinsir. We got a Grovyle. Custom Catcher. Pikipek. Durant. A Cubchoo. A Fanapy. Wurmple. Reverse Hollow. Kelkion. And a Malota. So we got 2 things out of that pack. Let's go to Zeraora, the last. This is a really fast video, so I will do a Zeraora and another Zeraora and another Lugia. We got Fire Energy. We got Mixed Herbs. We got Falafi. Got Electabuzz. We got a Tangela. We got a Cubchoo. Got a Alolan Vulpix. We got a Snubble. We got a Moraine, but water type. Interesting. Reverse Hollow Gogoat. And a Sceptile GX. So that's 2 pulls. But Sceptile, that is super good. The GX heals all damage from each of your Pokemon that has any grass energy, which is really good. Okay, let's start with the other Lugia pack. Got a Dark Energy. Got a Silicune. Got a Kali, which is from the champions, the 4 champions. The Dene, but fairy type. Pikipek, a Slugma, Poplio, Litleo, Yamask, Bruxish, Reverse Hollow, and we got another GX. 2 pulls, but Sigilyph GX. Its GX is intercept 60 times. This attack does 60 damage times the amount of energy attached to the opponent's. How many energies it's on the opponent's Pokemon. So that's good. And for the final pack, Water Energy. Okay, we got a Shuckle, got a Spell Tag, a Memory Energy, a Skiddo, a Chansey, a Snubble, a Ralts, that's something good, a Dedenne, Reverse Hollow Grovyle, that's 1, and we got a Hollow Scizor, which looks really good. I like this set because it has Zeraora, one of my favorite Pokemon, and those hollows which we just got are really cool. Bye, guys.